and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a box of face masks that have been sent to me from facemaskclub.com. Trust me, I have pressed re-record for this about 10 times because I could not say that. So high five for me actually getting those words out. Tongue-tied. So it's a box like this with a, how cute is that little sticker? That's their logo. I think that's just adorable. So what they are is a subscription box that gets sent to you every month with either 5 or 7 face masks you can select. So you can select 5 for £9.95, we can select 7 for £12.99. And I don't know what's in there yet. I believe there's a mixture of like Korean ones, UK ones. I love Korean skincare, so this will be right up my street. And you can also subscribe and then save 5%. What's also really nice about this is that you can also send them as a gift to someone else for like a birthday or Christmas present or just a gift in general, which I think is a really nice idea. I know if I received this as a gift, I'd be over the moon. So yeah, that's really, really nice. The website's really, really easy to go through, and they even have like a little demo on the page that shows you exactly how to apply them, so you can't get better than that. So enough of the chit chat, let's have a look inside and see what we got. So I just want to add, I forgot to mention earlier, this isn't sponsored in any way. This is a gifted product, but it isn't sponsored, so all opinions will be my own. So it comes like this, how very cute, in some pink tissue paper with that adorable sticker on again. And I got a little note, "Hi Claire, great to work with you, hope you love your masks." Oh, I love little touches like that. What have you got stars in it? I've got little stars. How cute. I'm very easily pleased. Right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 masks here. I'm addicted to sheet masks, absolutely addicted. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I'm constantly putting pictures of me with sheet masks on my story because I just love them. I think they're the best thing ever. So I have, this one is a Korean Beauty face mask. This is, I just love the packaging of them. They're just so cute. Look at that. She looks like a little dolly. Right, so Beauty Idea Diary. This is a lavender moisturising black mask. Oh, that'd be really nice just before bed. I quite often lay in bed and put a sheet mask on, right, and watch YouTube or something just before I go to sleep. So can you imagine having lavender as well, and then making you all nice and sleepy and cosy? Yeah, that's just great. Might use that tonight. So we've got that one there. So this just says on the back, bright luster, skin protection, appease and relieve. So yeah, so that, I think it's quite a brightening mask from what I can read. So that would be nice. And then I got a honey gold mask sheet. And this one is nourishing mask turns dull and dry complexion into one that glows radiantly. Mask supplies a concentration of moisture to the skin, leaving it hydrated. So really good for this time of year. We all need some hydration. So there we go, there's that one. So we've got a moisturising one, a brightening one, and then, oh, and then little stars. This is a green tea mask. Green tea is full of antioxidants and it's really, really good for your skin. So this one is soothing and moisturising. And then we have a Halo premium lacto mask. So like milk, that's pretty cool. So we've got that one there as well. So this doesn't actually say what properties it has, but with it being a milk mask, I would say another moisturising one. So there's that one. And then 3W Clinic, this is a fresh red ginseng, is it ginseng? Ginseng face mask sheet. And this one's soothing and moisturising as well. I've got stars all over my floor, they keep flying off the masks. There's that one. And then this one, oh, hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid because I'm sort of over 30, shall we say. Yeah, this is yeah, needed. So this is a Jigger Angels in the Sky Hyaluronic Real Ampule Mask. The optimum skin condition is maintained by hyaluronic acid extract to make skin elastic and moisturising. So yeah, this basically hyaluronic acid is really good for sort of helping the skin to maintain moisture. And this one is Farm Stay Pearl Mask. Containing pearl extract, it transforms dull skin clear and translucent. Oh, it's a little bit of broken English, but a sheet type mask with a fresh touch stays in close contact with thirsty skin without stickiness for pure skin texture. Yeah, that's kind of like another brightening mask as well, so there's that one there. So by the look of it, they're actually all Korean. Yeah, love it. They are exactly up my street. So yeah, if you don't already, or if you haven't tried Korean skincare, do, because it is amazing. I absolutely love it. So good. So yeah, you get 7 of those for £12.99 or 5 for £9.95. I think that is an absolute bargain. And then they come to your door every month, so you haven't got to worry about ordering them or popping out to the shops to get them, which we can't do at the moment anyway. So yeah, brilliant. So thank you very, very much to facemasksclub.com for sending me those. Did it again. And yeah, I will really look forward to trying those out. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, I will pop pictures there on my stories regularly for you to see the ones that I'm using. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me if you enjoyed watching this and you would like to see more content of me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. So until then, thanks for watching. Bye.